You cannot record. Sure. Sure. Protest. That's fine. Protest.
I can certainly say, and I say this here, and all of you as witness, Imam-e-Zaman will take revenge. And that has been a door that's opened up. The reason being is that you do not desecrate Majlis of Imam Hussain. Any desecration of the Majlis of Imam Hussain, Imam-e-Zaman will take revenge of that.